good.
My name is Veda.
Your name is Veda. Like two men are going. Here we go. We have arrived at another destination called Tribal Museum, Araku Valley. So what's wrong?
I forgot my jacket.
Okay. So, where's your papa? Okay. He's trying to get a ticket, right? Oh, okay. He's waiting for the ticket queue. Let's go. So how was your day? Do you like it?
Yeah.
How much do you want it?
I enjoyed it a lot, but the Katika waterfalls, my legs.
Okay, let's stay here. Let me see. Ticket rate is 80 rupees for adult and 50 rupees for child. Let's go in now. Let's go in. After finally we have entered successfully inside the Tribal Museum.
Let's try the zipline now.
Do you want to ride? Okay. Let's do it. You're talking about zip lining all the time. Okay, let's do here. Do you want to go? Okay, let's go. Okay, this is for the cycle ride. Activities.
Climbing 200 to zip line evening 200.
Arrow shooting 75, paddle boating 75. Okay, I think this is from here to there. Whoa, so good. Nice. Very nice.
That's it.
Okay, that's it. Just a 15 second, but it's a lifetime memory.
Yes.
Very brave kid. I appreciate this kid. He's very fun, well behaving, and he can speak English very well. The parents well taught him. This is the reflection of their behavior to the children. How was it? You like it? Okay. Nice boat ride. What a swan. They are also enjoying here, but it's very funny. And I'm spending my good time here as well. Very good day. Here I am, your Darisi. There is nothing much to explore about. Also, the time is getting late. Okay, here is, I can see really one beautiful pouring down the water to the hard-working, thirsty, hungry husband. This is very beautiful. And the man is flying off the coconut tree. And I don't understand why he holds a pot while he is climbing for the coconut tree. Someone please explain me. Maybe he is trying to get the coconut juice. I don't understand. But there must be a logic behind this. Please let me know. Palm tree.
Like that. It's like alcohol.
Okay, that means he's trying to collect the alcohol.
It's called Kallu.
Kallu. Okay.
Kallu has two meanings. One the juice type and one.
Okay, that juice is oil or Chettu. I knew it. There must be a logic behind this. Now I have find a reason. So that man is trying to get the Kallu.
Yes, he climbs up. There's the fruit.
Okay.
Just like coconut, he'll break it and take the Kallu.
Okay.
And they'll bring it. They'll usually take one leaf, not like this one, banana leaf, and they'll drink from it.
This is the Kallu the man is drinking.
Yes.
Wonderful. So beautiful.
Actually,
when I know the
this is
meaning.
not-
I was wrong before. I told you this is a coconut plant. Now I was wrong. This is a Eetha Chettu. What is this? Jirugu Kallu. Karyota Orange. Okay, traditional liquor. Okay.
This is not tribal music, this is DJ.
This is DJ.
Yeah.
This is not tribal music. This is DJ. Yeah.
You thought it was tribal
Sorry.
music?
Yeah, they are enjoying in the name of tribal music. Like this, they're enjoying as a DJ. Wow, they are wearing a very good clothes. You wanna join both? Join. Wow. Okay, it's over. Chalo, chalo. Do the dance one more time. We don't know when we will come back again. Manipur.
Manipur.
Yeah. I'm making vlogs. I'm traveling to the whole places I want to visit.
Visit Planet. Very beautiful.
Huh?
How is it?
Oh, how is it? Oh, you're saying how is it? It's very good. Yeah, very good. Look at the good. The place, mostly the people. The people are very nice here. I'm very lucky to come here. So, let's go to the dance. Do the dance.
You want to dance?
I don't know how to dance. I think you should go and do the dance. Let's see.
They will teach you.
Let's see. Let's have to do the dance. It's a very nice video they are doing. Wow, this man has a lot of tools. Arrows, sword, knife, hardened wooden bamboo with a spearhead of iron. The arrow is made of iron, but the arc has a wooden. Beautiful. Here we have one more. Okay, this is the time since humans have started domestication of dog. You know, dogs were once upon a time, dog was a wild animal, but humans started domestication. That's why the dog is guarding the village. Okay, since the time immemorial, the man went for hunting, and the woman stayed at home cooking something. This type of culture has started since a long time. Wow, now we can see some pig tree. Here we have that thing in our Manipur. We call them longo. We use them to catch fish. A fisherman is holding net, machli jal fishing net, and this woman is trying to cut something using the knife, perpendicular uprighted knife, and the man is collecting some firewood to help the woman to cook something. And what about this one? Okay, the wife at the corner of the house, she is doing some ritual. She is sacrificing some flower to the local deity. And the man is doing some kind of prayer, looking for the best hope and prosperity. Wonderful. Such a nice family they had at that time. And here we are again. Don't unfit animals footbound. It seems like the girl who was sitting on the ground looks so thirsty, and this kind person is trying to give her some water to quench the thirst. That's all. And let's go next. Right here, Okay, this is about the instrument. This is a measurement bowl. I think these are made from the pumpkin or from the gourd. After they have kept for a long time, getting dried in the sun, getting hardened, and after that, they do the sculpture. And that's how they got this measurement bowl. Nice idea, genius. Okay, here it seems like two men are going, or they're bent down, so probably they are greeting each other. Like, hello, how are you? In this modern days, something like that. And the woman behind it is wearing a sari and watching over the conversation here. And what about this one? This one, okay, the man is building the hut, and the wife is cooking the food. And the children sitting over here waiting for the mommy's food. And the man, the husband, is building up the hut. Wonderful family. Here it's about the painting on the face. Probably this is a cultural program, and I find very wonderful thing. The man is wearing a very big ring on the earlobes. Okay, and what about this one? Okay, they are drummer, they are musician. Okay, this is the dance we have seen outside. This is the dance we have seen outside, and okay, so in this picture, the woman who leads the dance, she is holding a peacock feathers and dancing around the firewood. Okay, and the men are the drummer. That means the culture is still surviving till today. Now let's go here.
Hey, excuse me, are you a vlogger?
Yeah, I am.
Where are you from?
I'm from Manipur.
Manipur.
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yeah. Nice to meet you too. Okay, come on.
Hi.
Hi, hello. Nice to meet you too. What's your name?
My name is Veda.
Your name is Veda. It's a very nice name.
What's your name?
My name is Rishi. Okay, that's why my YouTube channel name is Da Rishi.
What's
Da Rishi.
Rishi.
Yeah, DM and Rishi.
R-I-S-H-I.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
It's a very nice museum.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye. Have a good day. Okay, now I want to find that family again. That family is lost all the time. Okay, maybe I'm going to the wrong direction. I have to go to that direction only. They are not here. I have to go this way. Okay, the man is plucking up some mushroom for a delicious food. And the man is trying to get some very delicious honey. Can you see that? A honeybee. They are both hard worker. And this woman is planting the rice or some vegetables. Wonderful. And the man is tilting the soil in order to have a better yield. Very lovely. Lovely society. Yeah, this is the saw he used, for harvesting, for cutting this thing. He used these sickles to cut this thing. Wonderful. Okay, this is after the harvest. There are so many grains, so many cereals, spices. Oh my god, I'm feeling hungry after I've seen all these food. I want to cook some biryani. Wonderful. Wow, so beautiful. I want to zoom a little bit. Wow, look at it. There is a mountain, and this is after harvest. They are selling. Probably in those times we don't have money. Maybe they are having some kind of barter system those times. Wonderful. Okay, here we are. We have more. It's making rope. Ropes are very useful. This is grain. Looks like a loam or zira. I'm not very sure. Okay, this is a charpai. But I can see in some villages, still today, they are using this kind of charpai bed. The man is carrying a balanced porter. It seems like he's a porter. Wow. Okay, in my state, before I still use this kind of stuff, we call them tungon. So lovely. Let's go for more. Here, okay, This is about the wedding ceremony. In those times, the man, the woman, they have their color on the tips of their fingers, and they're getting wedded. Happy, wonderful, merry. Okay, that's all. That's it. Now I have to go downstairs to meet the family.